Yeah, man. So this curry chicken, everybody, is a different curry chicken, you know, because what I go on in the pot right now is a concussion of loads of different things. You understand? Look at them bubbles there on top of the pot, people. So yeah, man, everything's kind of like almost at a halt, almost at a completion. Yes, everyone. So look, this is what's happening. Grand finale. Yes, everyone, so what you can see now, the dumpling, I've pre-fried the dumpling, pre-fried the corn and the cob, a good vibe. So next stage that I'm going to be doing now, what we're doing today, everybody, yeah, we're making some curry chicken today, everybody, yeah, man, a good vibe. Curry chicken already seasoned up, curry chicken breast. Woo! Look at that. Yeah, man, a good vibe, everybody, look at that, wow. Yeah, man. Curry chicken breast gone into the pot now, people, yeah. And instantly what I'm going to be adding to the pot, everybody, yeah. Nice chopped vegetables. So what we've got here is a scallion, we've got the onion, we've got the scotch bonnet pepper, garlic, and we've got some peppers as well, everybody. Our good vibes. Yes, everybody, so what's happening right now, as you can see, I've got the curry in the pot. Just spinning it around. It's soaked up all the oil that's in the pan, everybody, yeah. But I've boiled the kettle because I'm going to be using some water from the kettle. So come and have a look. So we're putting all the vegetables in one time. Because you know what it is, everyone, yeah? This one's chicken breast fillet. So we don't have to go through that long process there that would have normally gone through with chicken parts with bones and stuff like that. So we drop the scotch bonnet pepper in there, a good vibe, yeah, man. And also what we're going to drop in there instantly, because it's breast fillet and it's easy to done, is the chopped potatoes that's already been peeled. Good vibe. Pop that all into the pan, get our boiling hot water from the kettle, everybody. And we're going to more or less full it up. Good vibes. Alright, everyone, so this is our one pot curry stew, everybody, here. So what's happening right now, the fire's just been turned up nice and high. We're just gonna make everything go and bubble up. So we've just pan fried the chicken breast just quickly, just to make the curry stick to it. Because it's a different style of curry that we're dealing with, people. Yeah, it's a one pot. This one is more like of a stew. So what we've done, we've pan fried the corn and the cob, and we've done some long dumpling, but we've half fried them as well. So we're gonna put them all back into the pot, people. Yeah, our good vibes. Yes, everyone. So what I'm doing right now, I'm just waiting for the pot to just bubble up, then you know what I go on. You see all of that there, the dumpling, the corn on the cob. Right now, what's going on inside the pot, everybody, is a madness. Wow, look at all them colors, the flavors, look at that. Our good vibes, people, yeah. What's happening right now, we're cooking, so we're gonna be eating soon. Our good vibes. Yeah, man, so this curry chicken, everybody, is a different curry chicken, you know, because what I go on in the pot right now is a concussion of loads of different things. You understand? Look at them bubbles there on top of the pot, people. So yeah, man, everything's kind of like almost at a halt, almost at a completion. Yeah, man, we just met this one simmer down for a tiny little bit more. The chopped vegetables them that we've got in there, they've cooked down. Look at the Scotch bonnet pepper as well, everybody. Yeah man, the Scotch bonnet pepper is actually giving off the most amazing heat right now, and also flavour. It also is giving off a nice flavour. We've got thyme in here, we've got garlic in here, the red pepper. Yeah man, a good vibes. We've got the long dumpling, we've got the Irish potato. Yeah man, this one here is going to be served up with some white rice, but this is one that you can also just have on its own, just like that, as a one pot completion. Bush bosh done. Yeah man, when we say bush bosh done, I mean like you don't need nothing else to go with this one here. You can just have this how it is. But wow, look at that. Yeah man, we got the white rice on deck at a completion as well. Yes everybody, so we've come to that grand finale. Thank you very much. We're in that festive period in England as well, people. One more little update for the channel. Look out for the Icy Streets musical videos then from the old school era coming out on the channel. I've already released one video. Also as well, if you haven't got your ticket for the show 27th of January, get your ticket. The M.R live in concert. Wow, look at this, people. Yeah, so part of what's going to be happening today, yeah, we're going to be eating. So a lot of the times on the channel we just cooking and we just share up a little plate, but today I'm going to share up a plate, set up the camera, and I'm going to go through the food with you. We're going to eat this food together, people, today, yeah. Curry chicken, boneless, white rice, completed, steaming, the fire's off. Yeah man, 24-hour kitchen, we're there, people. Yeah, so it's a good vibe. So we're going to tuck in just a second. So we're just waiting for this one here to just go and stew down just a little bit more, to let the water dry down and look a bit, so that we're at a perfection. And then I ate that, people. Yeah, good vibes. Yes everyone, so look, this is what's happening. The grand finale, curry chicken, this is not no plating. Alright, so munch. Let's get our munch on, people, because more time we're here and we're not show the food eating section. So let's eat some food, people. Our good vibes. This is not no play, people. So first of all, let's get some rice up on this. Good vibes. Big up yourself, people. You don't know what I'm going. Normally we just cook and we just go. I'm gonna be quite silent right now, people. Here, I'm just gonna eat up. Big up yourself. Thank you very much for staying tuned with this episode. That good vibes. One pot curry chicken. It's got everything in on the plate, everybody. Let me show you what I go on. Yeah man, dumpling and rice on the plate, on the spoon right now. Good old Irish potato. Flavours them that are jumping off in front of me. I use a spoon if I'm eating rice. So, not playing around with the food. Goodbye people, big up yourself. I don't know what I've gone. 24-hour kitchen, it's happening. See you again in a couple of days people, yeah? Goodbye. Yes, everybody, Wagwan, you done know you're locked into 24-hour kitchen. We're in that festive period right now. So I want to just thank everybody that's been locked into the program all year. Big up yourself, well done. You're still on the journey with Ringo Vision. Yeah man, have good vibes, you done know Wagwan. Alright, today's episode was curry chicken, yeah, but it was chicken breast fillets. And as you saw at the start of the program, what I did was just half frying some dumpling and then also frying up the corn and the cob as well. And then we dealt with the curry chicken and the vegetable people. And then you know what I go on next. We done with it. We dealt with the eating process. Alright people, a little update for the channel as well people, yeah. So what's happening for the channel? I'm trying to upload one video a day up until New Year's people, yeah. So just stay tuned and keep on looking through the channel, going through the playlists, also sharing, liking, comment, you understand? Check out the community as well because I'll be posting up some new things in the community. Look out for the show on the 27th of January, the headline show with M.R. Also, people, don't forget that you can also order your all-purpose seasoning mix. You don't know what you need the mix on top of your food, people. Yeah, a good vibe. But until next time, I see you again probably tomorrow, people. Yeah, big up yourself. You don't know what I go on 24-hour kitchen. But there, good vibes.